Howdy good people. I just realized that I didn't update you guys on my dragon fruit. So I did a video showing how to grow dragon fruit, and I didn't show y'all the results, and I think it's been about 6 months. Dragon fruit grow really slow, and I've had dragon fruit that took like 2 years to even get like that big. But this dragon fruit that I got, the seeds came from Miami fruit, because I ate a dragon fruit seed and then I saved the seeds. Well, ate a dragon fruit and saved the seeds. And like, look at this. So far we are doing awesome. And they all kind of look different. This one's thick. You see that? This one's a lot thicker. And it looks like it's giving me a, one of them is giving me a stem. Yeah, a branch, whatever. And see, the difference is I keep this one inside on the patio. I keep this one outside. And in Florida, we get random rain. And it rains really heavy, and then it stops, and it gets hot as heck and dries out. So this has been okay with the amount of moisture and amount of rain that it's been out in. This one is struggling. It needs water. It's hurting. Not too cute. This one doesn't even look like the same plant, but it's kicking. This one died. It's just was too moist, I think, and it died. And that's the funny thing. All of those that I just showed you were grown at the same time, and they all look different, and these seem to be my winners. And yeah, these little pots I had, they're pretty cheap. I got them from the Dollar Tree. I haven't used this one yet. I have a well. So pick some of those up from the Dollar Tree. They have their advantages and their disadvantages. I kind of want to put these in my son's room, my 6-year-old son's room. And the advantage of it is because it's cute. It has character. But the disadvantage is there is no hole at the bottom. So you have to be careful when you water them, because you'll be overwatering and you may get root rot.